Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of crystals and zodiac signs. You know, when I connect with energies on the other side, I often see crystals. They hold such unique vibrations, just like each sign of the zodiac. Ever wondered which crystal is best for your zodiac sign? There's a special connection between the energy of the cosmos and the energy within these stones. By understanding these energies, we can find a crystal that truly resonates with our individual needs and enhances our natural strengths. Stay tuned to find out which crystal can help you unlock your fullest potential. Aries, you are known for your fiery spirit, your adventurous nature, and your natural-born leadership. But sometimes that fire needs a little boost. That's where carnelian comes in. This beautiful orange stone is all about igniting passion and boosting confidence. It's the perfect crystal to help you tackle challenges head-on, just like the ram you are. Keep carnelian close and feel its energy empower you to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Taurus, you are grounded, reliable, and crave stability. You value love, beauty, and the finer things in life. The gentle energy of rose quartz beautifully complements your innate desire for harmony and comfort. Rose quartz is known as the stone of love, and it's here to help you open your heart and attract loving relationships. It also promotes emotional healing and self-love, allowing you to feel secure and nurtured. Keep rose quartz nearby to invite peace, tenderness, and deep contentment into your life. Gemini, you have a quick mind, a thirst for knowledge, and you're a master communicator. You thrive in social settings and love to explore new ideas. Agate, with its beautiful swirling patterns, is here to support you in your intellectual pursuits. Agate enhances communication, making it the perfect companion for your social butterfly sign. It also promotes mental clarity and focus, helping you to process information and make decisions with ease. Embrace agate's energy to keep your mind sharp and your conversations flowing. Chapter 4. Cancer. You are deeply intuitive, compassionate, and ruled by the moon. Your emotions run deep, and you have a nurturing spirit that draws people in. Moonstone, with its gentle lunar energy, is here to guide and support your sensitive soul. Moonstone is known to enhance intuition and emotional balance, helping you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. It also promotes peace and tranquility, allowing you to create a harmonious environment for yourself and those you love. Let Moonstone be your guiding light, illuminating your path and nurturing your emotional well-being. Chapter 5. Leo, you are a natural-born leader, radiating confidence, creativity, and a zest for life. You were born to shine, and Tiger's Eye is here to help you embrace your full potential. This powerful stone is all about courage, strength, and personal power. It helps you to overcome challenges, tap into your inner strength, and step confidently into the spotlight. Let Tiger's Eye empower you to embrace your leadership qualities and inspire others with your unwavering spirit. Chapter 6. Virgo, you are known for your analytical mind, your attention to detail, and your practical approach to life. But sometimes, that busy mind needs a little calming energy. Amazonite is here to bring peace and clarity to your world. This beautiful blue-green stone is known for promoting tranquility and mental clarity. It helps to quiet the mind, allowing you to see things with greater perspective and make decisions with confidence. Keep Amazonite nearby to invite its soothing energy into your life and find balance in your analytical nature. Chapter 7. Libra, you are all about balance, harmony, and fairness. You have a natural ability to see all sides of a situation and strive to create peace wherever you go. Lapis lazuli, with its deep celestial blue, reflects your desire for a harmonious existence. Lapis lazuli is known as the stone of truth and wisdom. It helps to enhance communication, allowing you to express yourself authentically and resolve conflicts peacefully. It also promotes inner peace and self-awareness, helping you to stay true to yourself and your values. Chapter 8. Scorpio, you are a deep, intense, and transformative sign. You have an incredible ability to face your shadows, heal old wounds, and emerge stronger than ever. Obsidian, with its dark, mysterious energy, is here to guide you on your journey of self-discovery and transformation. Obsidian is a powerful protector, shielding you from negative energy and helping you to release patterns that no longer serve you. It encourages you to face your fears head-on, knowing that true growth comes from confronting what lies beneath the surface. Embrace Obsidian's energy to unlock your inner strength and navigate life's challenges with resilience and determination. Chapter 9. Sagittarius, you are a free spirit, always seeking adventure, knowledge, and spiritual growth. You have an optimistic outlook on life and an unquenchable thirst for new experiences. Turquoise, with its vibrant blue-green hues, reflects your adventurous spirit and desire for exploration. Turquoise is known as the stone of protection and good luck, guiding you on your travels and keeping you safe from harm. It also enhances communication, making it easier for you to connect with people from all walks of life on your journey. Keep turquoise close and let its energy inspire you to embrace new adventures, expand your horizons, and live life to the fullest. Chapter 10. Capricorn. Enhance discipline and perseverance with garnet. Capricorn, you are ambitious, disciplined, and driven to succeed. You set high standards for yourself and have an unwavering work ethic. Garnet, with its deep red hue, reflects your passion and determination. Garnet is known as the stone of commitment and perseverance. It enhances your natural leadership qualities, giving you the strength and endurance to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. It also promotes self-confidence and encourages you to embrace your ambitions with unwavering focus. Let garnet be your reminder that anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and a belief in yourself. Chapter 11. Aquarius. Embrace innovation and peace with amethyst. Aquarius, you are an innovator, a visionary, and a humanitarian at heart. You see the world differently than most, and you're driven by a desire to make it a better place. Amethyst, with its calming purple hues, aligns perfectly with your forward-thinking and compassionate nature. Amethyst is known for its calming and peaceful energy, helping you to quiet your mind and connect with your intuition. It also promotes clarity of thought, allowing you to tap into your innovative ideas and find creative solutions to the world's problems. Embrace amethyst's energy to enhance your intuition, find peace within, and bring your unique vision to life. Chapter 12. Pisces, enhance intuition and emotional clarity with aquamarine. Pisces, you are a dreamer, a creative soul, and deeply in tune with your emotions. You have a compassionate heart and an intuitive understanding of the world around you. Aquamarine, with its calming, ocean-like energy, is here to support your sensitive and intuitive nature. Aquamarine is known as the stone of courage and clarity. It helps to calm the mind, allowing your intuition to flow freely. It also enhances communication, making it easier for you to express your emotions and connect with others on a deeper level. Keep aquamarine close to invite its soothing energy into your life. Embrace your sensitive nature and navigate the world with clarity and compassion. Thanks for watching. I hope this journey through the zodiac and the world of crystals has helped you to connect with the stones that resonate with your unique energy. Remember, crystals are here to guide and support us on our journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of crystals and astrology. Which crystal are you going to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the energy of the universe and let your light shine bright.